Good morning! Welcome back sa Today with Chase. And we are going to... Saan tayo pupunta, Glay? We are going to Taps at nandito na yung bus. Let's go! Field trip to, guys, ha? Magpi-field trip tayo. Vlog to. Say hi to my vlog. Ay. Sige po. Sir Amil, where na you? Saan ka? Okay ka na? Dito na ako.
Dito sa harap, oh.
Ken, say hi to my vlog. Char.
Hi, vlog.
Katabi. Hi, vlog. Si G talaga yung stop sa vlog ko.
Yung star.
We're here. At sobrang init. Mainit na malamig ang hangin. Hi, Glay. Oh, 'di ba? Yung mga turista naman talaga. Maganda pa rin ang Taps kahit mainit, guys. So, time check, it's actually 1 p.m. Ayan. Ito yung mga kainan. So, we're looking for restaurant na kung saan kami magla-lunch. So, kahit mainit siya, malamig yung hangin niya, guys. So, parang okay pa rin pala kahit tanghali here. Pistachio chocolate bar from Starbucks. We will be trying it out. G, sige G, have a taste and let me know if it's parang yung chocolate na keme na nag-trend. How was it?
Good. Crunchy.
Crunchy? What can you say about the Starbucks version of...
Love it.
Para namang may halong ka-plastic ka naman.
Sabi rin ng friend, sabi niya, enjoy mo yung subo. Sabi ko, hindi pa kami nakakatry. Hindi pa nga namin natatry. Subo kayo ngayon.
Tatry natin ngayon?
Try ulit. Gumala ka, umano.